In this video, we will learn how to change your Fortnite name. In order to change your Fortnite in-game name, all you need to do is open up your browser. After opening your browser, head to the search panel. From here, type Epic Games account, then hit enter. After that, you will find the account section of Epic Games. Left click on it. From here, you will find an option to change your display name. Left click on it. Now you will be headed to your account settings. From here, under the account information tab, you can change your display name of Fortnite. In order to do that, click on the edit button on the right hand side of your display name. From here, you can select a new display name for your Fortnite account. And you will also need to check that I understand I cannot change my display name again for 2 weeks. So after changing it once, you cannot change it again for the next 2 weeks. After the 2 weeks are over, you can change again. So tick, then confirm. Now as you can see, your display name has changed and you can enjoy the game like previously. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.